Good evening and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is a Thursday, the day before Friday, and it's May 9, 2024. We have medium impact news, but actually it turned out a. Normally we don't pay much attention to this data release, the jobless claim is or unemployment number. But today is different story. We don't know the reason, but we just from what we understand that the markets or the Wall Street they expecting a interest rate cut in June because all the number is aligned with that idea or with that assumption or with that thesis right there because before this at the end of April we have the GDP data release, which is showing that the economy is slowing down. And now today we have an employment number is really dropped, right? The consensus right there, but actually, it's not dropped. Yeah, it's not extra, but they anticipate basically the Fed's gonna cut the rate. That's the reason why the market is really jumped. Very surprised, or not surprised, for that matter. By the way, we are in week 19 of this year, and also I think 6 weeks of this of the second quarter of the year. We still have a lot of earnings. I eat this Nvidia. Nvidia next week. Nvidia earning. Nvidia is the last so-called magnificent, right? Magnificence. Yeah, I heard the honey right there. Yeah, I think maybe the end of May or next week something. Okay, May 22nd, right here. That's the article saying. I think Nvidia. We think that Nvidia is the last Magnificent Seven report earning. I think all the other like Facebook, Microsoft, Google, Apple, they already report. Tesla. So Nvidia is late, but 25th, 22nd. So 2 more weeks from now. Anyway, this week we don't have any option expiration. But next week we have a CPI and option rate right there, May 15. And then we have a GDP data again. All right. Let's see what we have for today. By the way, today is it's amazing day. After 2 days, right? We It's an amazing day in the sense that we passed our challenge. So we cannot believe that we make it. But yesterday we make a good, huge profit right there with 1,000. We only trade two of them, and we, win both of them. And today we make the last pork of the profit that qualify us right there. So we passed the challenge. Yep, we pass it. So we hit top after 12 day training. So we close. So we're gonna move to we pass the challenge and we're gonna move to get funded. And let's see how we go. It's just experience. It's just a experiment to us. We just have fun. That's it. Don't worry about anything too much. Just have fun. Try to challenge ourselves. And right now our win rate is 54%. We passed challenge. Let's see, we're gonna improve this, make it even better. Alright, we have a lifetime to make it even better. Yeah, we cannot, amazing. Yeah, just 12 days. Yeah, 12 days of training. We got it. And I think we have big loss there right here, all 4 trade, April 30. And then we have 2 days in a row we lost it, so it's losing to the long we have it 3 days. We have 3 days, which is consecutive winning trade right there. So average, we try to aim 1 to 3, but it's turned out 1 to 2 is the best for us right there. Alright, go into the charts. Let's see. Go into the charts right here. That's amazing, right? When we go in, we saw that the 9:30, it gives us 8:30. After the new release, it break it. You see that? And before that, you see the level right here. It break the level, and then it pull back, and then it break it with a fellow gap right there. And at 9:30, it just pull back right there, and it rolled from there. You know what? Our first trade is we short right here, because when you watch in the real time, it gives you the real opportunity right here, because this one is up close and then it flips. And when we saw it flip, we go for the kill right away. We're not hesitant. We put a buy right here, a sell stop kills us, and then we aim right here. But later on we learned that it's better. As soon as it hit this, we say, oh, we put the target a little bit conservative. The good target have to be here. You know why? Because this is the level that it's breaking out. You see that level? Break, retracement, breaking out again, fabric up, it's gonna retest the level before they go up. That's how, how the algo, run. That's how the price action move. We know now. So our target should be here. Yeah, let's look at the first trade we have. Look at the recording right here. So let's rewind them a little bit. That is we sell them. Oh, that's later on. Yeah, that's right here. Yeah, right here. Is it 9:30? Yeah, right here, 9:30 right there. So basically, you see that is it's a close candles. So there's no reason for it to go. We place order right there, right at that moment at 36 6 minutes, 6 minutes into the trading low. You see there, you see. So that is first 5 minutes right there, and then you see is yeah, the first trade we try to take is a practice account right there. We practice to go long. Yes, for practice account we put go long right there. Is that right? Yeah. Right here. Yes, so it is gonna see the break right there at 9:30. You see, yes, you see, the first minute is it really go up there, and that's where we put a in our real account right there. Right, you see right there. There's no reason for it to go back here. The only reason to go back here because it's gonna break this one. You see, it tests 1, 2 already. So we put a sell stop there. That's our logic right there, and we put a target right here. But now looking back, I think the best target is right here because it is where the level that it break, you're gonna retest them before it go up. So that's an idea right there. And we put in 2 contracts right there. See that? We place order. Yes, so we get fill right there. And yep. Oh man, we out very soon. You see, it break the level. We hit our target right there. Let's see when it hit our target. Oh yeah, right there, we out right away. We have a nice profit right there. 03. I think we target at 07. We move. Yeah, it hit the profits very fast. Yes, right here. You see that? Hit the target very fast. So basically, we get three point, which is half an hour, but we get 2 contracts, so we get an hour right there, very quick right there. Yeah, that's our first trade right there. It's not really a we get in right here. It's just opportunity. If you look, opportunity right there. A 9:30. Yeah, it's opportunity right there. We see that. Basically, we in the real time, we see that's flip. So that's where we go with the flow right there. In terms of the setup, it's not really yeah, it can be a so-called fall breakout right here, right? But the idea that or bullish breaker following up retest right there, but at that moment we don't see that setup. At that moment we only follow the flow right there. We see the flip, we go and we take we take advantage of that right away. So sometimes in trading it's not much about the setup at all. It's just about have a mental ability to pull the trigger when you see the opportunities, because it happens very fast. So it's not like yesterday. Yesterday we have a beautiful setup right at the get-go. Yeah, right. Yesterday, yeah, yesterday we have set up right here. Beautiful, right? It's 4 breakout setup right here. But today the setup a little bit different. But we can take advantage of this retracement right there. But now we look back, we say that this is a bullish breakout follow-up retest right there. But in that moment, we don't saw this setup. Let's be honest. So we just take advantage because you see right there in the recording, it just flipped. So the only reason they go back to do this in the to tap on the level is not to break it, to do the retracement, and we target right here, right there. But that's conservative right there. But if the more accurate one have to be this level, because this level is where it start the move, it start in the move up right there, or the buy program there, markets make a buy program right there. That way activate that program, and you see the huge move, man, giant move right there, right from here it move right there. So by the way, we don't catch this move, we only catch this move because you know why? Because we only when we take profit from this short trade, we only 200 from meeting the requirement, 3,000 targets. So we kind of reluctant to take any trade. We just want to make sure we see a clear opportunity so we can lock in quick, the last profits, so we can meet the target 3,000. And we did. We wait for I think what's the second trade. Here's we take a screenshot right there. We already see the excuse us. You already see the recording, but here's we take a screenshot right there. So basically we're going after 6 minutes right there. 6 minutes right there. We place our order right there because there's no reason for it to come back to 2110 right here. This level, the only come is gonna be break it, and we see the flip up here, so we know we're gonna break it. So we target very easy target right here, very low hang fruit right there, but the better is gonna be this level. That's our first trade, and let's see what is our second trade. Here's our second trade. Our second trade is right here. So we wait until what? Until 10, we see the opportunity, and we only want to aim for what? Aim for another $200 to meet our targets. So as soon as it hits 3,000, we out. Actually, if we leave it hit this target, it will get more. We can get more, but who cares? We just focus on our mission, right? Which is pass the challenge. That's it. Pass the challenge. Pass the challenge. That's our mission right there. Alright, here's our trade number 3. Where it's right here at 11:30 right there. We saw this setup, before, so we know how to handle. Basically, it's a 4 breakout right there. So it break this level 52.29. Then it retests from above with this, doji candle. I think the right name for this is called hammer. Yeah, whenever you see that hammer everywhere, you're gonna break it. A hammer, this one also, hammer right there. And you see after that it tests one more time, and this time it breaks it. So right there, that's the same idea. But if you see this candle right there, this the inverted hammer, then you know it's gonna be bullish. And we saw that in huge. We're thinking about go long at that moment, but we kind of a little bit held back because we're very close to make our target 3,000, so we don't want just too much risk. But anyway, right here we go in. We would buy stop right there. I sell stop at 52.29.75 right there. Yes, so with just one pip above this, above. Yeah, one pip above this, and I hit, and we just aim for 28 only because that can give us enough profit to get out. Get out, finish our challenge, make the 3,000 profit target. We're a little bit nervous right here because when we see when we see the profits and loss, right here, when we see hit 3,000, we have to make decision. Right here, exactly 3,051. We have to make decision whether we get out of the trade or wait until hit target. So we're thinking, why? We're thinking, it takes like a couple of seconds right there. We said, wow, really? Why you have to wait? Who cares? Who cares you make 3,000 or 3,500 for as soon as you make 3,000, you meet requirement. Why you have to go for more? So we think that we got out right away. So hit 3,000. We don't have to wait for the target. Our target is at that level, at 28. Initially, but now we can see that it can hit to that level, or it can fill this gap right there, and you see that it did, it break back. So this set up very reliable. You see that, man, that is the hammer pattern right there above this breakout level. Then it's gonna pull back, so we just trace on the pullback right there. Yeah, but right here you have similar setup, but you have to see that this pattern a little different. You have break back right away and retest, and it's gonna go up. That means the retracement already finished. Right? There's no retracement right here, so just expansion. What you do right here is a retracement, and then after retracement completes, it's gonna be expansion. Right? If the retracement failed to become a reversal, how do you know? How do we know it fell? Because you have to break and reversal back right away. So that's how you know. Yeah, but this, yes, but it flip right here. Actually, it can be a second leg of the retracement. So watch out right here. This is a 12:30 can give us the key whether it's gonna be breakout up or it's gonna be second leg down right there. But anyway, this is a great force today, and we passed our challenge right there. That's amazing. Just we hit our target 12 day. Right, we still have until we start at April 19 right here. So we still have another week or so. Right, next week we still have another 5 day, or tomorrow. Yeah, I think we still have, like, they give it every month, right? A month, right? But we finished very strong, very surprised. Anyway, we're happy that we we passed the challenge, and we're on our way to become a funded trader right there. Yeah, just the rally is just relentless today. You see just retracement and boom. But we need to study this pattern because in the real time at 12:30, it looked like it's gonna be a second leg down. Right? Because you see that the retracement, you should back right away and test from above. It's look at some other pattern. This one. Okay, at 12:30. Let's see what it how it look like in the 12:30. Okay, so right here, let's turn the boom down. So right here, what are we thinking? It's gonna be a second leg down from the retracement or the retracement complete. That's the question we need to ask, and that at the real time right there. So if we follow the logic, say okay, break, reverse back right away, and test it from above, it's gonna be, it's gonna break the level because I think we do see that pattern before. So let's see where is that. We put that right now. Excuse us. All right, here's the screenshot that we documented before, right? So you have a huge leg down, and then you break that level, and then you reverse back and test above. In this case, the hammer right there, and you break it. Let's see how it's different from this scenario. So this scenario is break down, let's say this level. Now it's this level. It break it. Yeah, it did not. Did it reverse back right away? Let's see. It's break the level. What's the low? 52.26. Right, break that level. Then yeah, the high 52.26, 25. Right. What the close of this one? 52.26. What this one low? Yeah, it did not reverse. Reverse at this level, but not at this level. You see, it's the subtle difference right there. So you have to pay attention. Otherwise, it's otherwise we would think that this is gonna be a second leg down, but it did not happen. Yeah, it's easy to say that it's gonna be second leg down. Break it, reverse back right away, and test. Yeah, test from above. But it has to be a hammer, but this one also a hammer, right? Is this one a hammer? Is this one a hammer? Right here. It says right here. Yeah. Inverted. Oh, it's a hammer. Or it's called hanging man. That's a different right there. So it's hanging man, not hammer. Yeah, that's a difference. If the hammer is very reliable, right? But it's a hanging man. Yeah, that's the difference. Let's see. Yeah, it has to be a hammer. It's better. You don't want it to be hanging. Right here is hanging. Hanging man right there. That's reason why it will not be it will not be a second leg down right there. Oh, so beautiful. Now we see different right there. Let's mark this right here so we can know that in the future we know. Edit, right? So what we see right here is tell us that it will not this retracement will not make a second leg down. That's the thing we want to know. So where we okay. But oh, you see that is what are we gonna see? And let's see right here. So basically, just put right here for the map. So we see that this retracement and we just mean no second leg down. Well, the reason is first 12 15. The reason is candle 12:15 is a hanging man, not a hammer candle right there. So that give us a signal right there. And also we have break, reverse back right away. So that's the signal that it's gonna continue to rally. Let put that for now. If next time we revisit to see if it make more sense, then we can put more, but let's go with that for now. Go what right now? How his brain can stop working right now. But anyway, let's drop up here. We have a big day, so we are grateful. We make this our first ground and we pass it. Let's see what's gonna lead us on the next chapter in our journey. So that's good for now. Alright, I think we wrap up here, and let's see what tomorrow brings us. We are grateful for your time and interest. We thankful for this opportunities, and we do what we love, then success is coming our way. Good night and good trade and good luck. Talk to you later. Bye for now.